Using the app is simple. When starting the app, press Allow when it asks for permission to send notifications. This way, you will get a notification when you receive a new message. Then press Begin. To create a profile as a pregnant woman in iOS, press the Register button. Then pick I am an expectant mother. When it asks for permissions to use your location, press Allow. It needs your location to work, so it can find users around you. Then press Continue. To fill out your profile now, press Answer Now. These are detailed questions related to adoption. Press the text boxes to make a selection from the choices, or type in an answer. Then press Save. Once you're done, press Continue. This is a place for you to tell your story. After you're done, press Continue. Here you can fill out a message to an adopted family. After filling it out, press Continue. Now select one or more photos by tapping the camera icon. After you're done, press Continue. Now fill out your name, email, and password. You can use an anonymous name, but the email address needs to be a real email address. It will not be displayed. If you register with Facebook, it will fill out your name, but you can change it to something else. Lastly, you will see a profile preview. If you are satisfied, press Create to make the profile. Press Accept to accept the terms of service. Press Done to continue. Now press Matches to see your matches. If you don't like someone, press the red X to pass on them. If you like someone's profile, press the green heart button. If they like you back, you will have a chat connection with them. To view someone's profile details, press on their picture. When you're done viewing their details, swipe down. If you want to make a connection with someone immediately, press the blue chat button. A new screen will pop up. Press Connect. Then they will be in your chat connections. Press the chat icon in the upper right corner to go to your chats and communicate.